Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's Qora Digital Cash again, guys. Over the time, I actually noticed that so many people are always coming to my DM and asking me for the best trading strategy to make consistent profit on the trading platform, most especially when they are trading boom and crash. And of course, personally, I noticed that it is better. When you are trading, it is better you have a platform that can give you a wider view of what the chart is giving to us, okay, so that you will be able to analyze from one wing to another, and of course you will be able to know when it is breaking out, when it is going on a trend, and when it is not going on a trend. Okay, sometimes we look out for those breakouts in order for us to trade. Okay, so we need a system or a platform that will give us a wider view of what we are looking for, so that we can have a proper analysis of what we want to do. Another thing that can help us to become a better trader or to make consistent profits whenever we are trading is you having the right trading tools. Okay, when you have a platform that give you access to all the tools that you will be needing, then you will be able to trade successfully. Okay, and that is why most people were looking out for some special trading tools that can help them to automate the system, to automate the analysis that will make them to analyze the markets better. Okay, of course there are some of them that are very good, very good, but quite a lot of them are out there that won't that give you up to 70% assurance on your analysis. Okay, so that is why you will have to be very careful about the kind of trading tools you are going in for. Okay, so all these are very important. So that is why I have decided to share this idea with you. Okay, how to trade boom and crash on TradingView. Okay, we all know TradingView, but most of the time we don't even know that we can find TradingView. We can find boom and crash on TradingView. In short, all the synthetic indices, you can find them on TradingView. Okay, and I'm going to share with you how you can go about it and see how you can use it to trade successfully, how you can use it to analyze the market successfully. This is very important. You're going to love every bit of this training video. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay guys, so let's go straight into what we have right from here. Okay, so like I said, we will be looking at how we can trade or analyze the market using TradingView. Okay, TradingView is a trading platform that helps us to have a broader look at the charts. Okay, at the chart of whatever asset we are trading, so that we will be able to see clearly where the market is coming from, where it is going into. Okay, so that we will be able to analyze better. Okay, it is a professional trading platform that most forex traders, most professional forex traders usually use to trade their asset right from there, and it is very easy to do. Okay guys, but the problem we are having is that we don't easily find boom and crash or other synthetic assets like step index, volatility 75 and the likes. Okay, we don't usually find them on trading view. So most people don't know that we can trade, we can do our analysis for boom and crash and other synthetic indices on trading view. So I will be sharing with you how you can have access to it right from here. So the first thing you need to do not go to trading view directly, just go to Google and type how to trade boom and crash on trade view or trading view. Okay, how to trade boom and crash on trade view or trading view. Okay, so you search for that. Okay, there is a reason for that. Okay, because it will come with a custom page for binary.com or derive. Okay, it will come with this custom page for binary.com or derive. Okay, so if you just go to trading view and search for it on trading view and search for boom and crash on trading view, you are not going to get the right one. So when you search for it using Google, it will come with so many options. These are the different options that you will be provided with. All you just need to do is just to scroll down and check out the one that has .binary or .derive attached to it, like this. It has tradingview.binary.com. Okay, it has tradingview.binary.com. So you can click on it to open it on another page. Okay, let's see when it is opened. Okay guys, you can see it right here. You can see it brought out the header of binary right here. It brought out the header of binary right here, and of course you can see right here we are having volatility 25. Right here we are having volatility 25. I know most of you will be surprised by this. You won't know that you can have you can have access to this on your trading view. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so if you want to change the asset to another one, you can see right here, this is the code for volatility 25. This is R underscore 25. Okay, that is the code for volatility 25. So you tap on that R underscore 25, you delete this. I'm going to delete this. Okay, when you delete it, you're going to just, if it did not bring out every other asset, just click on derived. Okay, once you click on derived, then definitely it will bring out every other asset under synthetic indices. You can see every one of them right here. You can see the code for volatility 10, 1 seconds index, code for volatility 10 index, code for volatility 25 1 second index, and everything. You're going to see them right from here. Now let's search for boom and crash. Okay guys, even their new trading assets are even here. Okay, you can see boom 300, you can see it right here. You can see the code for it. Boom 500, you can see the code for it. Boom 1000, you can see the code for it. Crash 300, you can see the code for it. Crash 500, you can see the code for it. So all these are here. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to select the one you want to do your analysis on. Okay guys, so right here, let's see crash 1000 right here, and on another page I'm going to open boom 1000. This is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, so you can see that right here we are having a broader look at the chart. You can see that we are seeing it more clearly. We are seeing it from one wing to another, and definitely we can be rest assured that this will definitely give us a lot of profit. And there are so many trading tools you can use right here. You can use this. Okay, let me show you how I got this. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Okay, from this you can use it to specify where your stop loss will be and where your profits will be. It will help you to measure your risk ratio. Okay, it will help you to measure your risk ratio, and of course right from there, for instance, let me use this first. For instance, right here, when the market was around here, what we are waiting for was the breakout. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely we know that it's going to go up. Okay, but at the same time we want to take advantage of the market situation. Okay, we want to take up advantage of the market situation. We want to know where we should take our profit and where we should put our stop loss. Okay, our stop loss should be somewhere here. Okay, and profit should be somewhere there. Okay, you can see it right there. You can see where the stop loss is. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see where the stop loss is, and we can see where the take profit had been, because this is where we drew the horizon, this trend line from. Definitely the take profit should be somewhere here, just before where we drew the horizontal line. So you can see that we would have taken our profit right from there. Okay, now let's do that with the current charts. Okay, let's do that with the current chart, because this has been on downtrend, and of course right from here, well, if it breaks out below that, okay guys, let's see it this way. Okay, if it breaks out below that, then definitely it should okay, you need to pick, since we are dealing with sell this time around, we need to pick the one for shorts. Okay, we need to pick the one for shorts. Okay, so all you just need to do is to put your stop loss somewhere here, and of course you take this backward a bit, okay, to somewhere here where the breakout is coming from. Okay, somewhere here, then your take profit should be, I'm coming, this has gone down, so your take profits should be somewhere just before the what is it called, just before this. Okay, so that is your take profit. You can see it right here from the breakout. If the breakout happens from there, definitely you can use that to set your profits and your stop loss. Okay, so this is very, very important. But okay guys, but since we are expecting it to go up any moment from now, if it breaks out above this region, if it breaks out above the this particular support region, guys, particular support region, you can see it right from here. Okay, once it breaks out above this, then definitely we need to pick up this trading tool, not this particular one. Let's pick up the long trading tool, and of course we'll put our stop loss somewhere here. So let's take it up a bit. So the stop loss should be somewhere here. So we bring this down a bit, because this is going to be where our entry point is, and of course our take profit should get to this region. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. You can see where the stop loss is. Okay, and wait, let me adjust it to where the entry point is. Okay, so this is the entry point, and you can see the stop loss, and you can see where we have taken it to. This is our take profit. So if it breaks out, all you just need to do is just to wait for it to break out above this. Once it breaks out above that, then you are good to go. Okay, it keeps on spiking up and spiking up till it gets to your take profit. Once it gets to your take profit, you close your trade. Okay, you can see that we have more instrument for us to use right from here, and of course we are having a broader look at the charts. Okay, just the way you are seeing it, we've been having a broader look at the chart, and of course we can easily compare where the market is coming from and where it should get to if we are trading this asset. Okay, you can do the same thing for crash 1000 also. This is crash 1000 on 24 hours, and of course you can do the same thing for it. Okay, and you can zoom in order to have a better look at it. You can zoom out, you can zoom in. It all depends on what you want to achieve at the end of the day. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Okay, and of course guys, even if you take it down to lower time frame, because this is 1 hour time frame, if you take it down to 5-minute time frame, you will still be able to analyze the market better and have a broader look of the market. Okay, this is a unique way of trading. Okay, you will be able to have a better look at the market, and of course you will still be able to analyze the market better. It is very easy to use. Okay, it is very easy to use. You can highlight all those points right from there. Okay, so this is 5-minute time frame. You could have used shorts from here. Your stop loss will be somewhere here, and definitely let me do that. Let me see if I can do that. Okay, your short loss, okay, sorry, your stop loss will be somewhere here to here. Then once this breakout happen just the way it has happened, then you can put your TP somewhere here, and of course you will make a lot of profit. Just that the only issue right here is that you analyze with this chart, but you pick up your trade on your phone. Okay, you pick your trade on your phone. You won't have to pick trade from here, but you use this chart to do your analysis, and it is very easy to do using trading view, because you are having a broader look at the chart, and of course you know where the chart is coming from, you know where it is heading to, you know where your stop loss. With the trading with the tools that are here, you can easily say where the stop loss is. You can easily analyze your market, know the amount of risk you want to take in the market, and compare it with the amount of profit you will be making in the market. If the market should go in your way, and you need to exercise patience in order to make a lot of profit with this is very easy to do. You guys can take good advantage of this opportunity. Then for those of you that don't like doing the analysis, or probably you don't have the right knowledge to do the analysis, I believe this will help you to sharpen your analysis skill easily. But you can also use another way to go about it, which is the which is by using the trading tools called 3M Trend Milker indicator. Okay, it is a custom made indicator. You can use a custom made indicator to do your analysis. Also, this is boom 1000, and of course you can see, you know when the market is on downtrend, you know when the market is on uptrend. You already know that when the market is on uptrend, that is when we have more spikes happening. If you want to trade spikes at that particular point, then that is the best time for you to come in. You can imagine you placing an order right here where we have the horizontal line, and of course you were able to milk the market till it got to this resistance zone, and you close your trade at that point. That will have given you a lot of profit at that particular point. You can see there is no sell arrow around here because it is on uptrend. Okay, and even if you find any sell arrow at this point, it's going to be for a very short period of time because the market is on uptrend. But check out here, we had so many sells arrow around here, and of course we hardly have buy arrow around there because the market is on downtrend at this point. So all you just need to do is just to follow the simple analysis the trading tool is giving to you, and of course use that to milk the market successfully. So this is how you can trade successfully and easily without any hiccups, guys. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.